Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what's in here because I have already unboxed it, and that's because I started to film the unboxing and I accidentally showed some personal information of the gentleman who sent it to me, so I am redoing it. Sorry, I'm robbing you of my organic reaction initially, but I'm still going to open it up and give you guys my thoughts. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other exclusive benefits, there's, of course, a link right down in the description. The support would mean the world to me, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. This was a gentleman here. I can show his Instagram. gmoral_edc. on Instagram. Please give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. This is the Benchmade Tengu, and I've been interested in it since the first time that I saw the picture of it. The pouch is really cool. I honestly don't know if that comes with it or not. Does it have a Benchmade thing on it? Are we going to focus? Boy, the camera does not want to focus. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, cool. So maybe that comes with it. This is a really nice looking flipper. If I can provide links for this down in the description, I will. I love that it looks super classy, like an old school pocket knife, but it's got the modern, flipping action. It is nice and smooth. Clicky detent. We've got a steel liner lock. What I started to say when I unboxed this initially was, because of how they do this area right here, keeping this general aesthetic flow, the straight line, right? Access to this liner lock is not plentiful. It's kind of like on the Gale Bradley 2, right? But they did put some extra texturing right here, which allows you to more easily engage that than other designs that do the same thing. So that's interesting. I'll have to play with this a little bit before I get my thoughts. Like I usually say, this is not a review. This is an unboxing, initial impressions. The review will come down the road. We are looking at 20 CV, which is nice because Benchmade seems to want to put S30V on everything. We have G10 shadow boxed with the liners, nice looking hardware, nice little shield. I wonder if that, hang on, I'm curious if that glows. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe I'm just holding a flashlight up to something for no reason. Does it glow? No. I don't know. I'll look into that. But yeah, this is really cool. Check out the backspacer. It's nice. Layered G10. This is cool. And it's a departure from what I normally see from Benchmade. It's neat. Angle of the flipper tab's a little bit odd. And you're kind of away from the knife, or the edge of the blade. But, I mean, I don't know. The aesthetic flow of the design is what attracted me to it. The blade is awesome. Man, that is really cool looking. And we have, is it slightly off center, or is that my eyes playing tricks on me? No, it looks centered. And then, is there blade play? No, there's no blade play. Really cool. Very different for Benchmade, but neat, right? I like to look at even if the design itself is not a different design versus what we see from other companies, it is certainly not something that I see from Benchmade often. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, links down in the description if you want to check this out, or Benchmade knives in general. I will link them both. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it today. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.